Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial on how we're going to be able to use a CSV file to upload our entire metadata for the whole project. So this is something that is going to really help people who are more used to using spreadsheets and not necessarily writing code or working with the JSON file format. Or you might just be more familiar with CSV anyway, in which case you can upload that as one file rather than individual JSON files for each NFT. If you're more familiar with spreadsheets, this is going to allow you to just export from Excel or Apple numbers and then simply drop that single file as a CSV file in the SFTP upload. So before we get started, I'll just show you what the art I've made looks like for this project. For this demo project, I've set up a really simple system here where it's essentially just numbers of NFT-MAKER logos in different colors of the rainbow. Just because that will give me a really easy way to explain the metadata and show you how this works. And then if we create the new project here, for the metadata template for this one, I'm going to be using a modified version of the classic from uploading media files. So let's copy that. And I'm going to delete all of this, replace it with this. And there's two changes I'm going to make. I'm going to put logo count here. And we're going to also copy that into this, which is important. And the other thing is I'm going to overwrite description here with another parameter, which is going to be called logo color. And that's going to be the color of those logos. So the next thing is to open up our SFTP upload, and we're going to just refresh this and we should see the new project in here. So I'm going to drag and drop my collection of 10 in there now and open up our numbers file. So I've already pre-made this and you can see here what I've done. I've matched up the word exactly using the same case as I did for the metadata template, and that's for the 4 custom attributes. What you're going to need to check though is that your file name and display name properties look just like this, and that these are identical to the way that the files are named in here. So you can see now this is loaded. We've got easy demo 1 all in lowercase. That needs to be exactly matching like that. Moving along then, to export this you go File, Export to CSV, and then the key thing is you want to make sure you are certain you save this as a .csv file. To show you what that looks like when you've exported it, then it will be something like this. I'd encourage you to open up the CSV file, not with Excel. I'd encourage you to get in here, look at the raw data by opening the file in something like TextEdit or Notepad. And what that'll show you is that they are indeed separated by commas. Some countries in the EU, when you export them using different software, it uses a semicolon. Now that won't work. You must do it as comma separated. And you want to just check that it generally looks okay. They're on a new line for a new row. Everything kind of makes sense. All right. Have a look back in here now. Remember, we uploaded the NFTs. So we'll have a look at this one, the blue one here. If we check the metadata at the moment, there's nothing in there other than the names and the image details. And that's because we've got no metadata in here. If we grab our placeholder file, remember this is called exactly lowercase placeholder.csv, and you drop that in here. That's going to take no time at all to upload because it's a tiny file. And then if we then proceed to refresh our page and then we review the metadata, you should see it's now uploaded everything. We've got purple, the logo count's correct. We've got the website information, and that's all looking really good. We can spot check another one here. Got lime. And then if we open up this one here, the navy blue, we can copy that metadata to the clipboard. If we then head over to pool.pm, we can test this, and you can see here it's uploaded exactly what we expected. And you can see there, this is what these NFTs will look like if we do indeed decide to mint them. Thank you very much. That's how easy it is now. You can do all of this stuff really without code. So please enjoy it. Let us know if you have any queries. And yeah, good luck with creating your projects.